Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Randika Dwi Sakti. I am the student of Civil Engineering Program Sultan Agung Islamic University, Semarang, Indonesia. Did you know that Eiffel Tower is the world's most famous monument? Now, my purpose today is to explain you more about this building. To start with, I will give you an overview of the Eiffel Tower. Then I will explain the vision of construction and repainting every 7 years. After that, I will show you the magic of light. Finally, I will tell you the Eiffel Tower which was made using iron. I will be happy to answer your question after my presentation. Let's begin by Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is the world's most famous monument, attracting close to 7 million tourists per year. For 41 years, the Eiffel Tower was the tallest building globally. It was designed by the renowned artist Gustavo Eiffel for the 1889 World Trade Fair. Up to that, it is a global culture icon. Now we'll move on the construction of the Eiffel Tower. It was for the 1889 Exposition Universal. The date that marked the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. That a great competition was launched in 1886. The first digging work started on the 26th January 1887. On the 31st March 1889, the tower had been finished in record time 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days, and was assembled as a veritable technical feat. The Eiffel Tower was made using iron when it is made. The Eiffel Tower is often thought to be made of steel, but in fact, the material used to make the Eiffel Tower is made of iron. The iron frame then forms the structure of the tower comes from Pompeii's forge. Meanwhile, the iron plates and beams used are the result of the puddling process and then assembled at the Eiffel factory in La Falaise, Paris using rivets. The pieces of iron were installed to build the Eiffel Tower. This prefabrication system allowed them to build the Eiffel Tower in a short time, namely 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days. We have looked at the magic of light. Like all towers, it allows us to see and to be seen with a spectacular accent, a unique panoramic view of Paris, and a glittering beacon in the skies of the capital. The tower also represents the magic of light. Its lighting, its sparkling lights, and its beacon shine and inspire dreams every evening. Next, the Eiffel Tower has to be repainted every 7 years. Under Gustave Eiffel's strict instruction, the Eiffel Tower must be repainted with a thick layer of protective paint every 7 years in order to protect the iron from the corrosive effect of the weather. The Parisian government have stuck to this condition over the past country, which is one of the reasons why it still appears in such pristine condition today. Over the years, the the tower has been painted various different colors, from the original reddish brown shade to bright yellow. In 1868, a specially mixed paint shade called Eiffel Tower brown was adopted by the French, which which is which is still in use today. Let me turn now to the tower at the center of event like show. The 2000-year Paramedic Show. The Blue Tower to mark France's presidency of the European Union, or the multicolored tower for its 123rd birthday. Like all towers, it allows us to see and to be seen with a spectacular action, a unique panoramic view of Paris, and a glittering beacon in the sky of the capital. The tower also the tower also represents the magic of light, its lighting, its sparkling lights, and its beacon shine and inspire dreams every evening. In conclusion, thank you very much for your attention. Are there any questions? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry, before I close, I will read a fun fact that I forgot to explain. The last, our Eiffel Tower have some fun fact. The first, the secret apartment. When engineer Gustave Eiffel was designing the tower, he created a private apartment at the top of the tower. The second, at the time of exhibiting French industry at the World Fair, there would be plans to tear it down at a later date, but the intention to tear it down after 20 years of standing failed because the Eiffel installed radio antennas and wireless telegraph transmitter on the tower. Then I secret bunker under the tower's southern pillar, reportedly connected to the École Militaire, a building complex in Paris that houses various military training facilities via a long tunnel. Do you know the Eiffel Tower was once yellow? Actually, the Eiffel Tower was yellow to follow the trend and then finally changed to a color brown. The Eiffel Tower is now to have a meteorological laboratory on the third floor. This place is used for studying physics, aerodynamics, and building wind tunnels. And this is the reference we took in making this presentation. In conclusion, Eiffel Tower is the tallest building in the world with super ideas of the architecture and construction. May I thank you all for being such an attentive audience. Are there any questions? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.